We're here at Collegetown Plaza in studio apartment 8I. We're on the 8th floor of this 9-floor elevator building. As we walk into the kitchen, we'll pass by the kitchen areas, refrigerator, microwave. The floors 8 and 9 studios have the under-sink dishwasher, which is a nice feature to have. We'll have the stove, oven, cupboards and drawers. Let's take a peek in the bathroom. Just like we've seen in the other apartments here in Collegetown Plaza, the other studio apartments, let's look around at the living space. You have your full-size bed, dresser, desk and chair. There's a bookshelf. We'll take a look at the view. We're on floor 8. We're facing west, so we've got beautiful view of Ithaca and some hills. You can see a piece of Cayuga Lake over to the north. It's really pretty. It's especially nice in the fall and the summer, all year long. We've got the closet over here. So that's a look at studio apartment 8I here at Collegetown Plaza. We're at 111 Dryden Road and we're just 1 block from campus.